comes to pigmentation issues, there can be a whole lot of reasons. It can be a vitamin deficiency cause, it can be because of sun damage, it can be because of, you know, the products that you're using. So there are multiple things that can cause pigmentation. For me personally, what happened was, like, till a couple of years back, if you might remember, I found these pictures, you know, when I was formatting my laptop the other day. After the hacking incident, I was formatting my laptop and I found these pictures. I used to have highly pigmented skin myself. If you might even remember these pictures, I posted some of them on my Insta stories. And now this is how my skin looks when I'm not wearing any makeup. So yes, there has been a considerable improvement. And for me personally, just like with most people, it's a mix of multiple reasons. It's not just one reason, you know. It's a mix of multiple factors that cause pigmentation for most people. It is said that ideally you should be consuming 3 to 5 servings of fruits every single day. Most of us don't do that, and the Indian diet is definitely not like that. So if you don't feel like you're consuming enough fruits, like most people, start having multivitamins. Speak to your doctor about this. Like, I also consume multivitamins once in a while. So I'll have it for like 15-20 days, 1 month, and then I'll stop for a couple of months and I'll have it again. Like, I was high deficit in vitamin C and vitamin B. So for me, having multivitamin capsules really helped. Another thing that really helps a lot of people, including myself, was using neem oil. Now, neem oil is something which you can use on your face, you can use it on your body, but one important thing, guys, it smells really bad, okay? So neem oil, raw neem oil, that is what you should be using, otherwise it will not be of any use. Raw neem oil, it smells very, very bad, okay? So you have to have a very high tolerance for that kind of smell, and it will take time. Also, neem oil in general, it has antibacterial properties, but for some people it can still lead to skin purging, it can lead to some skin issues. So do a patch test if you're using neem oil, but in general neem oil can be very, very helpful, especially if you have dry skin. You can definitely explore this option. Another option to definitely explore, start using chemical exfoliators, guys. That's so important. So you can use a face wash, you can use a toner, you can use a mask, anything works. It's very important to understand this, guys. When you have pigmentation issues, a lot of times, in fact, in majority of the cases, ask any dermatologist, it's probably because of dirt trapped under your skin. You have to remove that, and chemical exfoliators do that for you really well. Another ingredient to really watch out for, and this one is a magical ingredient when you are dealing with skin pigmentation issues, and that is an ingredient known as arbutin. Okay, arbutin is found in cranberry, blueberry, beerberry, so it is naturally found as well. But the problem with arbutin is, you know, when you get these fruits, most of these fruits, by the way, are not even easily available in the country, and they're very expensive, and to make a DIY out of it, you'll not see results very fast, okay, because they contain very low concentration of arbutin. So a good idea is to start using arbutin based skincare products. So you can actually go for a arbutin based serum like this one from the Derma Co. It contains 2% alpha arbutin. It's a 2% alpha arbutin face serum. Now, this is a brand I've mentioned this before, guys. It's a brand designed by dermatologists. It's a very safe and effective brand, and the fact that they mention the name itself, 2% alpha arbutin, you know exactly what you're signing up for. If you want to know about the ingredients, actually all the ingredients have been mentioned right here. I'll just read it out for you. So it contains arbutin, which obviously is great for dealing with hyperpigmentation, age spots, acne marks, melasma. It's also perfect for restoring your skin's natural glow and confidence. The best thing about arbutin, you know, the reason why I'm specifically talking about this ingredient is arbutin in itself, it's a very gentle ingredient. Like most skin brightening ingredients are very harsh for your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you have to think twice. You can explore arbutin even if you have sensitive skin, but for everybody, a very important disclaimer, please do a patch test. It's a very safe ingredient, but always do a patch test before you try anything new. So arbutin is extremely useful. This, by the way, it also contains a serum. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which is great for plumping up your skin. It helps in holding water into your skin, right? So it helps to plump up your skin. Another reason, like I'll just say this out loud, guys. Another reason why a lot of people, they feel that the skin is looking pigmented, it's not because of pigmentation, but it's just because your skin is dehydrated and it's looking extremely dull. Okay, so you don't, when your skin is not looking plump and fresh, you might feel that your skin is just looking uneven, but immediately after plumping up your skin, you might be able to see a difference. Like even today, like I don't have pigmentation issues on my skin anymore, but on the days when my skin is dehydrated, I can see the difference. So hyaluronic acid is also a very good ingredient. This serum, by the way, just to mention this serum, by the way, it also contains an ingredient known as tartaric acid, which is basically an alpha hydroxy acid or AHA. So like I was just talking about chemical exfoliators, this also contains a chemical exfoliating ingredient, which is obviously very, very good for your skin. So I'll put the link for the Derma Co in the description box below, along with the 20% off code SWS20. This will get you 20% off on your purchase. Another thing I want to talk about is sunscreen. Now guys, you need to understand that sun damage is one of the leading causes for so many skin problems, especially with the upcoming summer season. So what you can ideally do, like I was just talking about this arbutin serum, right? What you can do is wash your face, apply the serum. Ideally you should be applying the serum twice a day, so use it twice a day, and after applying the serum, use your regular moisturizer, and over this moisturizer apply a good thick layer of sunscreen. This will protect your skin and help your skin so much, guys. If you have skin pigmentation issues, if you have uneven skin tone, if you have scars, this is a very simple routine which you can follow every single day. You don't even need any DIYs or anything if you start doing this. Another thing that I would want to recommend, like especially for people who love DIYs, is to start using aloe vera gel. So what you can do is, simply take some aloe vera gel. You can just take aloe vera gel from the leaves and just massage your skin, massage, and then wipe it all off after about 2 to 3 minutes of massaging. That's all you have to do. And last but not the least, this is especially applicable for all those of you who are over the age of 30, 35, or if you're in your 40s, then definitely it applies to you. Start consuming collagen supplements as well. So apart from multivitamins and things like that, also talk to your doctor about collagen supplements, because loss of collagen in your skin obviously will cause pigmentation, uneven skin tone issues, and it will also make your skin look extremely dull. So collagen supplements can also be a very, very good addition. And like I always say, guys, drink lots of water, take lots of care, take lots of rest. It's very important, and that's okay. In the end of the day, it's still just skin. Like, don't freak out too much about it. I think the reason why I'm saying this is because when I had pigmentation issues, I used to be like really hard on myself, and like I had reached a point when my skin pigmentation was genuinely so bad, I didn't even want to step out. I don't even have any selfies from that period. It continued for about 3 to 4 months. I don't even have any selfies from that period when I was not wearing any foundation, because I was really conscious of myself. So you just have to take it one step at a time. You have to figure out what could be the cause. For example, if you step out a lot in the sunlight, obviously sun damage is one of your primary concerns. If you don't eat properly, you know that you need to start taking care of that. And arbutin, like I just said. So guys, I'll just tell you about the serum in case you have missed my previous videos. This brand, the Derma Co, it's a very good brand. Okay, it's a brand, like I just said, is designed by dermatologists. It's a very safe, effective, and a very honest brand, because right in the name itself you can see how much arbutin is there. The brand philosophy is live life without filters. You should not have to hide behind filters to feel confident in your own skin. So I really like the philosophy and everything, right? So figure out a plan that works for you, and let me know in the comment section below what worked best for you, so it can encourage the rest of my viewers as well to deal with their pigmentation issues successfully. And don't freak out, guys, it's just pigmentation, it's just skin, it doesn't define you. So don't make yourself go through what I made myself go through. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.